Hi everyone, today is day 11 building in Notion. So today I was working mainly on the structure. So what views I want to have, for example, main dashboard, then calendar, then tasks overview, then below it's vision board and additional stuff like databases and also buttons, stuff like that. So I can see like the whole picture of the template. Uh, well, it was not that time-consuming tasks. I finished it and also wanted to get some more ideas, inspiration of what people are doing on the internet. Um, just I don't know, spent 1-2 hours scrolling, looking at other templates. Didn't do much back after that. I don't really like this because it feels that I was just doing watching videos, doing nothing. So next time I'll probably limit this to 1 hour max and try to implement the best idea. But yeah, this is the key insights for today. Talk to you tomorrow.